In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail to send great looking emails. When you log into Gmail, click Compose. From here, you'll notice there are some new icons along the bottom, and the one that you'll want to pick is Select a Layout. When you open this up, you'll see that you can pick from a variety of templates. These are newsletters, call to action items, simple text messages that have some branding on it. But here's where the magic comes in. If you click Default Styling, you can then pick a logo and pick your color palette. So let's start with the color palette. The official red for NC State isn't represented in here. So let's type that in. We can come in here, click the plus arrow for Add Custom Color, and then type in hex CC0000. Then we'll click Save. This is going to generate a color palette for us that's compatible with the NC State brand. You're able to then pick the primary font. I'm going to go ahead and leave this as sans serif, and then upload a logo. You'll find DASA logos in the Marcom Communications Resources section of the DASA intranet. I've already downloaded one, so I'll go ahead and upload it by dragging and dropping it. You are also able to add footer details. In this case, I've already typed in DASA Technology Services and the DASA Tech Help email address, and you can include some optional links. Here, I've selected not to do that. Click Save Changes when you're done. Notice that all of the templates have now been customized to include your logo and the colors that we just selected. Let's go ahead and pick a simple call to action template. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click the Insert button. Notice that everything fills in for me, and I can start typing in my text. This is something that happens frequently where you begin to type it in and it doesn't stay. Simply come down, select from the text size, and return it to huge. You'll see that the color has changed as well. That's because the default color that I use in my emails is this dark gray rather than the pure black. If yours is just a pure black color, you won't have this same issue. To correct it, if you do, click on the text color button and select whatever color you would like. In this case, I'm actually going to pick that I want this dark red color. Finally, I can begin typing in the body of my email. And you'll notice, again, my default style that's saved within Google is trying to override what's in the template. This again is easily fixed by coming in, selecting normal or large, and then picking the color of the text that I'd like to use. At any time I can remove a section if I'd like to. Maybe I don't need this headline. I can also change the link in this button or the text in it. I'm just going to say, click here. Again, notice the override, but we can quickly change this. And to change the link, I just click on Change, and I can type in there we go. I can also change my image. Click Change Image. Drag and drop a file that you'd like, in this case, the gateway. And then you can drag the frame to size and suit the content that you'd like to include in this image. I'm just going to pick this in. There we go. Now we can send this and our recipients will receive a nicely formatted email. Notice the footer is in here, a nice divider line for it, and our content. And we can continue to type as much content as we'd like. We can even change this from centered to left. We can add in styling like bulleted lists and change the text size even within. This is a great way to add additional visual flair to important communication that you may be using.